Hi, welcome back to Unforgettable Creations. Today I'll be showing you how you can make toppers, tags, stickers, in Design Space, but I'm going to be using this tutorial for the tags for your treat bags. So I'm going to upload that video, assembling it right after this video. So first what you're going to do is go to Shapes. I'm going to get a circle, and then I'm going to go to Fill, Print, go down to Pattern, and put my pattern that I want inside the circle. Then I'm going to go to upload, and I'm going to get my mermaid, insert it, unlock it, and you see you want to so remember you're going to have to put a hole in it, so you don't want to put it in your mermaid here. So now what you do, you can hover over both of them and then go to align, center horizontally, and you see it moved it forward. Or you go to align, center vertically, and then they do it either way, but I always do the center horizontally. Okay, so now that you have that, you see you have two layers. So what you're going to do is you want to flatten it so it won't cut the mermaid out. It's just going to cut the circle. So usually you can size it to whatever you're going to size it to, but I use 2x2. And these again can be for stickers, tags, anything. So remember, I'm going to use a hole punch, but you can, if you want to have Cricut just cut out a hole for you, you could do that as well, but I'm not going to do that. So now I have my tag. I'm just going to duplicate it, and for the 2x2 it will be 12 to a page. So you just keep going until you get 12. I need two more. But again, it lets you know. Let me show you. It's going to let you know how many you can go to a page. So now, okay, we have all our tags over here. Go to make it. Okay, now you see you have two pages, but you have your tags. So like I said, 3, 6, 9, 12 to a page. Now what I do is I'm just going to show you how I set up my page and how I set up my Cricut. So you go to continue. You don't have to mirror this or anything. You can go, of course, into printer, or I already printed it. And again, I'm just going to show you. My machine is not on, so it might not even give me the. Let me cut my machine on, and I just unplugged it. Actually, just unplugged it. Okay. So that's coming on. Okay, so okay, let me go back to print it, because some people be saying that their ink smears and things like that. So what you have to do is you have to go to use system dialog, and once you do that, let me maybe cut my printer on so I can give you my options. Once you do that, you can change your settings for whatever type paper that you want. So let that load up as well. Okay, now you go to print right here. Once you click print, and whatever printer that you're going to print from is on, I'm going to print from well, I already printed from my HP OfficeJet 3830. So this is just wondering, and it's going to pop up with your printer settings. So just let it keep on going. Sometimes, I don't know, it takes longer than other times, but I'm going to wait. And I always use my dial on custom because I can go in and change it. So if it keeps taking too long, I'm going to exit out of it and redo it. So send to printer, use system dialog. Now it's wondering again. Waiting for this green print to light up. Okay, hit print. Wondering again. Okay, now finally. So now we have our HP OfficeJet 3830 already highlighted. I'm going to go to my preference. And now this is where you get it. The fun part. You go down to whatever paper that you're going to pick. I always use other photo inkjet papers. If you use HP photo paper, you have that option as well, but here's all your options. So like I said, I go here. I'll talk about borderless another time, but people ask how do I get my chip bags without the white around it. I go to borderless on and I do that, but I'm not doing that right now again, so just hit OK. And then you would hit print and it will print out. So I never have any smears on any of my paper once I do the settings with my printer and my settings with my computer settings. And on my printer settings, I also do photo paper. So again, I already did this, so I was just showing you all how I design and then I print it, and now I'm going to show you how I cut. Well, I showed you in a video how I cut, I believe. So now I'm just going to show you the different materials that you could use. And these are some of my favorites that I use a lot. If you don't see that option that you want, you can browse all materials and then you can find which setting that you need. Now, also pressure. Pressure is a big thing too, because sometimes you leave it on default and it doesn't it doesn't cut all the way. And then sometimes if you put it on more, then it will cut right through the paper. So depending on if you want to cut right through or not, or if you want to say have stickers and you send it to someone and you probably don't want the stickers to be cut all the way out, you just want it to be cut around the stickers or leave the back end. Okay, so that's where another thing that I'm talking about. So I was trying to go to browse all materials. Okay, so you can see the materials that they have. They have different artboard, cardstock, fabric, felt, foam, foil, metal, iron-on, leather, paper, plastic, vinyl, and other. So these are all the different materials you can cut um with your Cricut. And I have the Cricut Explorer Air 2. So okay, so say for instance I did photo paper. So here go my photo paper. And now this is what I was talking about, the pressure. If it doesn't cut all the way through, you might want to change your pressure to more. If it's cutting all the way through, you don't want that. On the default, you can go to less pressure and it cut less than the default pressure. Okay, but this all I want to show you is how to design, how to set up your page and how to make sure that it's cutting. I have another video showing you that it's cut and I'm assembling it to the treat bags. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Until next video, bye bye.